Alright, well, it's been a while since I've done a video, so I might as well do one real quick here. Basically, real quick, the idea is that price is building up some momentum, building up some fuel to break above 44.5. We saw it tap 44.4, keeps coming up, right? We've come down. Now, earlier this week, this was my thinking. I guess this was Tuesday morning. Monday night, what I was looking at was, a dip down to 39.6, and then we'll start level 1 through level 3 to get to 52K. Level 1, I assumed, was going to tap out around 44.5 and then do a retrace to around 43.3 or so, and then start to run again. You can kind of see we got some of that action already. Ultimately, what am I looking for? I'm looking for this liquidity pool to be reclaimed, and then a run after this one is taken. I would expect to see this zone taken here. And you can see here that we did have the 5 cross back under the 13 on the 1 hour. But while we were running, it did get above it. So what I want to see now is some sideways action, maybe a little bit of slight downturn before the New York Open. And then if we can get a little bit of a retrace to about 43.6, I think we're in good shape for another run here. And that run could go as high as 47K. If it does decide to go in the opposite direction, and you kind of have to prepare for this, I'd expect price to come down to around 37.3 and come back down to tap this zone here. So if it had to move up, I'm thinking 47. If it has to move down, I'm thinking 37. But we'll find out in the next hour or two, in general, what's going to go down when New York opens and we get that initial move, which I think will be a false move, and then we should start to run. So be on the lookout. If the 5 crosses over the 13 here, so that orange line gets back over the yellow line, we're very close. We don't need much more. A little sideways action here, and a slight spike back up to maybe 43.6 or 7 should do it. And then let's see if we hit that 47K mark.